Hi, I'm Merlyn Oliver, and I'm the co-founder of the Bklyn Mavens. Lauren and I realized that there was a gap that needed to be filled. There wasn't anyone talking about Brooklyn through the lens of like true Brooklynites. So what makes our platform even more like the vibe is the fact that we just don't highlight what people see or what people think of Brooklyn when they first come here. But there's so much to Brooklyn that needs to be spotlighted. I feel like there is no other borough that has what we have. We're all Bklyn Mavens. Lauren and I are just the face behind the platform. We always want to make sure that it's authentic, we're sharing a story, and that our audience can connect to it. Bklyn Comments is a co-working space that I love. I love to go there at least twice a week or to my actual office. It's not too far away from Hibiscus Brew, which is my favorite smoothie spot in the whole Brooklyn. I love the owner, Allison. She's also Jamaican, so I love the fact that there is a natural smoothie spot in that neighborhood. I feel like in the Black community, sometimes we don't have those healthy options. MetroPlus has a lot of community locations in my neighborhood in Flatbush, so I always knew about it. But it wasn't until the pandemic where I was laid off and I didn't have health insurance that one of my colleagues told me about MetroPlus insurance. I was like, yeah, I know about them. Why don't I have them? The insurance is easy to use. My main thing was getting a Black doctor, and it was super easy to get that. So I'll call the customer service line, and they helped me to get a doctor. When I go to emergency care, they take the insurance, I'll pay the co-payment. It's 1, 2, 3. So I don't really have any complaints on how easy it is. It's exactly what I need, and it's low-key kind of stress-free. I feel like it's important to have health insurance because of my family. My mom was in healthcare, so she always was just like, you have to make sure that you're okay. And as a young adult, there are a lot of things that can go wrong. I'm also, I feel like, a responsible person, so I wanted to make sure that I had health insurance. I feel like the younger generation doesn't really think that health insurance is important because it's another expense, number one, and it's also expensive depending on who you go with. So I feel like people are just like, if I get hurt, I'll just pay for it, but then that bill comes and you're just like, So having health insurance honestly is amazing to me because number one, I can afford it. So knowing that I can do other things with the money is one of the reasons why I love having MetroPlus, because it is super affordable. And also it makes my life a little bit stress-free knowing that I can worry about other things.